Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution to the 13th question in exercise 4.6. The equilibrium conditions for three competitive markets are described below, where P1, P2, P3 are the equilibrium price for each market respectively. They've given three sets of equations. Using matrix method, find the values of respective equilibrium prices. So first let's write the coefficient matrix A. So this is going to be equal to 1, 2, 3. Then the second row will be 3, 2, 2. The third row will be 2, 3, 2. Now for the constant the variable matrix, so that is going to be x, y, z, and then the constant matrix, which we are going to name it as B, will be 85, 105 and 110. Now we know that x is going to be equal to A inverse of B. So the step is to calculate the inverse, and the first part of that is to calculate the determinant. So determinant of A is determinant of 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. Now let's evaluate. It is 1 into 4 minus 6 minus 2 into 6 minus 4 plus 3 into 9 minus 4. So let's compute. This is minus 2. Then this is 2 into minus 2. So minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 into 3 is plus 15. So if you evaluate, this value is equal to 9. So determinant of A is equal to 9. Let's compute the cofactors so that we can write the adjoints. So A11 is going to be equal to minus 2. A12 will be equal to minus of 2 because this is in the second place. Then A13 is going to be plus 5. Now A21 is going to be equal to 5. A22 is equal to minus 4. A23 is equal to 1. Now A31 is going to be equal to minus 2. A32 is 7. A33 is equal to minus 4. Please always ensure that you cross-check your cofactors. Then there will be less mistakes when you do the numericals. Now let's compute the adjoint matrix. So adjoint is going to be the transpose of the cofactor. I'm writing it along with the determinant value. So 1 by 9 of minus 2 plus 5 and minus 2. Then minus 2, minus 4 and 7. In this case, this is going to be equal to 1 and minus 4. Now that we have written this, we are going to multiply this particular matrix with the constant matrix. So let's do that. By 9 into minus 2, 5, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, 7, 5, 1 and minus 4 multiplied with 85, 105 and 110. So this is equal to 1 by 9 into, let's do the multiplication. So this is minus 170 plus 525 minus 220. Here this is minus 2. It is minus 170 minus 420 plus 770. Third row, it will be 425 plus 105 minus 440. Now if you simplify, this will become 1 by 9 of 135, 180 and 90. So this means x is going to be 135 by 9, which is equal to 15. Y is equal to 180 by 9, which means 20. And z is equal to 90 by 9, which is 10. So these are the equilibrium prices for each of these markets. See you in another video. Bye.